Good morning, students. Today we will start 5th chapter in It So Happened. The name of the chapter is Princess September. By hearing this, you are a little bit confused. The name September, the name of the month. But when we will study this story, it will be clear. It is an interesting story. Once there lived King and Queen of Sam. They had 9 daughters. For the queen, it was confusing to remember so many names. So the king decided to call them by the name of the months. For example, first princess January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and the youngest one is called September. The king had a particular habit. Instead of receiving gift on his birthday, he gave them, that means he gifted to others. One year he gifted his daughters each with a green parrot in a golden cage. Golden cage means cage made up of gold. The princes were glad. They spent an hour every day with the parrot. The parrot could say, "God save the king," and Pretty Polly in 7 different oriented languages. One morning, when the princess went to say hello to her parent, she found the parent dead. "Oh, no, wake up, Polly, wake up." Princess was very sad and started crying. Queen entered the room, said to come upon September. "It's time to get ready for the party." But she noticed that September was crying, so she asked, "What is the matter, dear?" September replied that my little dear parrot is dead. Queen ordered the guards to take away the dead parrots. Queen said to September that now get ready, my dear, for the party. We will get a new parrot tomorrow. But still Princess was crying and said, "No, I am too sad. I cannot go anywhere right now." "Princess, do not cry over a little thing like a bird," said the queen. "Get ready right now, or you can go to bed without any supper." Supper is the meal. The queen walked out. The princess continued to try lying down on her bed. Later she heard a beautiful song. She asked, "Who is it?" "It's me, princess," a little beautiful bird replied. "I heard your sobbing and come to comfort you." "You can talk?" said Princess. "Yes, but it must be our little secret. Do you promise not to tell anyone?" said bird. "Okay, yes, I promise," replied the princess. The king and the queen are sitting on their throne, and all the princes are present over there. The next morning, the princess presented, September princess presented her little bird to all her sister. "Look, sister, I have a little pet." "Sing, little bird," said princess. Little bird sang beautiful song for them. Not bad. Is that all it can do? Mine can say Pity Polly, said one of her sister. My little bird can sing many, many songs, said September. So all the princes looked jealous. Then Princess went to King and Queen and said, Look, Mama, look, Papa, my little parrot can sing so many songs. King and Queen were surprised and delighted to see that the bird and asked, Does this little bird have a song for them? Birds sing song praising the kingdom, and the king was very happy. King said, Wonderful, I like this bird much more than the parrot the other girls having. But Papa, my parrot can say Pretty Polly in 7 different languages. Bird is just like my minister, said the king, and said, They say the same thing in different ways, and none of those ways make any sense. The next morning, the sisters surrounded the princess in the palace garden. Sister said, Dear September, we have decided to pool our allowances and buy a new parrot for the one you lost. But I don't want a parrot, said Princess. I have my little bird who sings new song to me every day. It even talk. This much only the princess say, and he just closed his mouth with her hand. Why? Because she promised the bird that she will not inform anyone that bird can talk. But where is your little bird now? Asked the sister. Outside somewhere, must be flying, said September. But how do you know it will come back if you don't keep it in a cage? Is it even your pet? Let us buy you another pretty parrot that you can keep in your room and train to talk, advised the sister. Princess said, Oh no, I am quite happy with my little bird. Again sister said, Well, if you are determined to keep that silly little bird, at least put in a cage. Otherwise, one day it will fly and will never come back. So, little princess was in tension. She looked around worriedly and called little bird. Little bird, oh my dear little bird. Where are you, my little bird? Come here to me. I wonder if my sisters are right. What if my little bird never come back to me? What if it gets eaten by an eagle? What if it get lost? That means the Princess September was very worried about the little bird. Many thoughts came in Princess' mind. Oh, but suddenly she heard the sound of the bird singing. She realized that it must be back in her room. Princess found bird in the bedroom. Their bird is sitting and singing. My dear little bird, there are you. I was so worried about you, said Princess. Bird said, Hello, dear princess. I had just gone to visit my family. Come, take a look here. I have something to show you, excitedly Princess said to the bird. Princess directs the bird towards the cage, the golden cage. As soon as the bird entered the cage, the princess quickly shut it. What are you doing? Asked the bird. The princess replied, My dear little friend, this is for you, for your own safety. Now you will be safe and comfortable, and I will not have to worry about it. Please let me go out, princess. I don't like to be in a cage. I am used to flying freely and going wherever I like. Please, please the bird. But princess explained, Dear bird, there are so many dangerous things in the world, like eagle, the palace cat, where you will be safe. They will harm you. This is only the place where you are safe. By saying that, princess leaves the room and the bird keeps pushing at the door of the cage, trying to get out of the cage. Next day, what happened? Princess saw that the bird lying at the bottom of the cage. She was very sad and said, Dear bird, what happened? Get up. The bird slowly sat up and leaned against the wall of the cage. Are you hungry? Dear bird, are you thirsty? Why have you not touched your food and drink? Asked the princess. The bird said, I am sad. The bird said, I cannot sing. My voice has been locked up by this cage. Leave me alone. The bird said, What do I do? It's break my heart to see my little bird so unhappy. I am sorry, dear bird. I cannot bear to see you waste in your cage. I was selfish to have shut you up in the golden cage because I wanted you all to be myself. Go, be free, fly where you want and live your life freely. The princess said with a heart. She opened the cage. Bird immediately comes out. Princess softly goodbye. Dear bird, be happy. She started crying. In the palace court, the king and the queen are on their thrones and the sister around them. Everyone is happy chatting except the Princess September. So, dear sister, where is your precious pet? Asked one of her sister. It flew away and never came back, said another sister. I told you so, dear sister. Will you now get you a new parrot that can talk in 7 languages? Others said, what was that? That means the sister was making fun of Princess September and her bird. Oh! But what happened? Suddenly they heard the song. The princess looked excited and looked around. What was that? The bird enters the room singing. Oh, you are back, said happily Princess September. Yes, now that I have my freedom, I can sing again. Do you promise to never put me in the cage again? Asked the bird. Princess happily promised and replied, Yes, I promise. I will never treat my friend so badly again. You will always have your freedom. Everybody looked shocked, even because the prince's sister was jealous also. The king asked, "This bird can talk too?" The bird can talk? The princess gave, "Oh, yes." This way, this story finished. Thank you, student.